Hello, friends. This is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is midweek motivation. And today we're going to be working on cleaning my laundry room and seeing what we need in the way of cleaning supplies for winter. Our host of Midweek Motivation is Jessica Myros. Please check out her channel in the description box. And joining us is The M Word by Melissa. Please check out her channel. She's an amazing channel. And see what she is doing for motivation this midweek. This is the mess my husband created. He piled everything in laundry baskets because he thinks if things are in containers, they are not cluttered. So we're going to see what's in those laundry baskets. And this is my pantry in the laundry room, I turned it into all cleaning supplies. I'm donating all the macaroni and cheese to the blessing box because we don't eat it that much. And I moved the peanut butter back into my pantry in the kitchen. And so I'll have all my laundry supplies together. Right here I'm just folding down a box to box up that macaroni and cheese for so we can take it over to the blessing box in our community. The blessing box is a box that contains things that to give to people in the community that might want it if you're not going to use it. And we donate there pretty often, at least once. Normally it seems like about once a month at least. And with us getting that at Costco's, and this is a reusable bag that I decided to declutter it and let it go. And I put my little duck goose costumes from my front porch up in the other cabinet where they belong. And there's the scarecrow costume. It'll be coming out pretty soon. Because I wanted to transform this cabinet into all just cleaning supplies and laundry detergent, so it would be easier to see what I have. Oh, and I got rid of that tablecloth. I'm going to declutter it. That one I kept. I just put it up with the other tablecloths in the other cabinet. Remember, even 10 minutes of organizational makes a big difference. Just take 10, 15 minutes and organize something, and it sure does make a difference if you do that just daily. Oh, and I found a can of corn, so I brought it into the pantry here in the kitchen too. Because I used to have food in the first two shelves, and then I've now changed it all to cleaning supplies. It just makes it easier. Because I didn't even remember I had the food in there, and I'd never bring it back to the pantry in the kitchen, so I never really used through it. And I don't want to do that anymore. So I'm trying to keep everything together, more together. And here we go. I have 2 mop buckets, so I decided to eliminate one. Just wiped out the bottom drawers and the little edges. The edges get stuff spilled in there, which it didn't turn out too bad. I have a dehydrator in this cabinet, taking up a lot of space. that I haven't used in years. It's time to get rid of it. I've tried to list it on the marketplace and it won't sell. I need room for my laundry detergent. And since I've done this, oh, that one's half empty. I'll keep that one out. I checked and I needed to restock my pods for my dishwasher. I also needed some dishwashing liquid out in the kitchen, so I got it. And I have 2 Costco dishwashing liquids, dish soap, and I just put one out there, so that's 3. And then I have 6 smaller ones, so I know I don't need to pick up dish soap for winter restock. I have quite a bit of laundry soap, so I know I really don't need to pick up that. And I'm not sure about the dish pods because I do use those a lot. No, I don't need I don't need laundry soap. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'll be plenty for winter, so I don't need to stock up on those. I don't need to stock up on magic erasers, which I use to clean the walls, or Dawn Power Wash because I got a brand new one in there. I got plenty hand sanitizer and vinyl gloves because I do use them when I paint and stain. So I have a ton of Clorox wipes, which and Lysol spray for my husband's truck. I don't think I won't need to stock up on those. So that's where we are and what we don't need to stock up on for winter. Now I'll show you how it turned out. I think it looks pretty nice and it's now more organized. Oh, and I also have a gallon of bleach, which will be plenty. I don't use bleach a lot. And I have a full container of carpet cleaner, which this winter one of our goals is to get rid of our carpet and go with laminate, so we won't need a lot of that anyway. Husband has this. Well, I don't know why Ritz Crackers is in with laundry. This laundry goes out to the camper. Because it's gonna go, I'm gonna just let the people that buys the camper have it. Because I don't have a queen size bed. I have this box of Ritz Crackers. I'm gonna just slide that. See if I can slide them. No. Up here. That'll get those out of the way. Okay, my cleaning supply cabinet's all cleaned out. And I have that space all but